Hey guys, it's Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're taking a look at a 2019 Scarab 195 open center console fishing boat. It's got some really cool family features. You do have a cushion that snaps down on the back to make this a sun pad in the back. You also have a fishing pedestal, comes with the fishing chair. Really cool feature on this boat is the tailgate that flips down. Gives you a platform to step out and fish on. It also does have a dive ladder that goes on that. Really neat seating on this boat. You've got a big captain's chair here that actually can spin around and face the rear of the boat as well. And you've got a seat on each side of the captain's chair. It's a kind of a hidden seat, so when you're not using it, it becomes a fishing deck. Up in the dash of the boat, we do have a Simrad Go 7 in it. Simrad system on all of those boats. Great performing boat. It's got a great stereo. It's a Kicker premium sound system with subwoofer and amps. It does have LED lights in all the speakers, so it looks really cool at night. Nice tilt steering wheel, stainless steel wheel. The boat comes with a nice windscreen. This T-top is actually able to pull a wakeboarder. Probably the only T-top in the marine industry that can pull a wakeboarder. In the front of the boat, you've got a ton of fishing deck, and there are cushions that snap down on that if you want to use that for a sun pad, more of a family boat. Lots of storage. It does come with a trolling motor. That's the trolling motor mount right there. You've got your trolling motor plug-in. It's a great boat, you know, for a family boat. Maybe you want to do a little bit of fishing, get out on the water, do some water sports. It's phenomenal for that. Come by and see the boat here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, or you can reach us 24 hours a day on MarineMax.com.